Is it tough to crack CAT exam? This is one question students always ask me. It is not as tough as it is perceived to be. Why I say as it is perceived to be? Because when you hear someone saying you need to score more than 99 percentile to get admission into some of those older IIMs, or to get admission into some of those other IIMs you need to score 95 percentile, or some of those non-IIMB schools you should score more than 90 percentile, or even to the new IIMs, you think that it is a very difficult task to achieve. But the numbers I've just referred to are percentile scores, not percentage scores. Then what is a percentile score? CAT website has a document which explains how percentile score is calculated. They use a formula which says that percentile score equals to n minus r by n into 100, where n is the number of test takers, r is the rank of the candidate. Let me explain this with an example. Suppose CAT 2020, let us assume the total test takers were around 2 lakhs. In one of the sections, because you have percentile score calculate for every section and overall also. So let me take one section quant. As per the marks they scored in this particular section, these 2 lakh students are given ranks first, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now, then those ranks are converted into percentile. How? Let me explain. Let us say a particular student has got a rank of 1000. What is the percentile score of this candidate? If I apply this formula, n is 2 lakhs, r is 1000 by n 2 lakhs into 100. If you simplify, you'll get 99.5 percentile. When I say that you need to score 99.5 percentile, it looks as if it is very tough. When I say that you have to score 1000th rank out of 2 lakhs means it may not sound so difficult, because some of you might have already experienced in your IIT JEE or in the respective state entrances for admission to undergraduation, where the number of test takers are much more higher than this 2 lakhs, and the people have to get a rank of 1000 or less than 1000 to get admission into some of those best colleges. So this is something that happens in every exam. Okay, suppose if a student has a rank of 10,000 and the percentile score will be, if you convert this percentile, it will be 95 percentile. A student with a rank of 20,000, percentile score will be 90 percentile. You can substitute these numbers in this formula and calculate. So when I say that you have to score more than 90 percentile to get admission into some of those, the new IIMs, or people call, baby IIMs, or you need to score more than 95 percentile into some of those other IIMs, it looks very difficult. But tell me now, you have to score 20,000 rank to get a call from one of those baby IIMs, or a rank of 10,000 or better to get admission to some of those other IIMs, or to get a rank of 1000 or 1000 to 2000. 2000 will be, a rank of 2000 will convert to 99 percentile. A rank of 1000, 2000 to get admission into some of those older IIMs, I don't think it sounds so difficult. That is part one. Part two is how much score, rather what percentage of score will give you these percentiles. We talked about how the rank or percentile is calculated. How many marks will result in these percentiles is what we will see in the second part. If you see the last 3 years data, CAT 2020, if you look at 85 percentile score, because IIM say that you need to score 85 percentile in every section to clear the sectional cutoff. So the sectional cutoff is 26. Someone who scored around 26 got 85 percentile. I'm taking on the higher side. 26 out of 78 is around 1/3, 33 percentage. 30 out of 75 is maybe around 35 to 40%. You can see 99 percentile, 43 out of 78 is a little above 50%. Right? You can see other sections also. You can pause the video, check the sectional scores and the corresponding percentiles and see what percentage marks are giving you. See, overall also you can check. Someone who gets 115 out of 228, that is around 50%. 50% score is in 99 percentile. So if you are scoring, or maybe here it's a little above 50 percentile, 50 percentage, I'm sorry. So if you are scoring around 50 percentage marks, you are there in that 99 percentile. Or if you are scoring anywhere around 45 to 50%, you can check, convert these numbers with respect to the maximum scores into percentage and check. The same is the case with the next year, the previous year 2019. You can see here, VARC is slightly higher scoring section. You can say maybe around 40% to get 85 percentile, maybe 62, around 62 out of 100 will be around 60 percentage. But other two sections, if you see, again the numbers are more or less same. 30 out of 100, around 30%. 40, you see 95 percentile, it's around 43 to 47 out of 100, means around 45 percentage. So if you are scoring around 45% marks, you are there in that 95 percentile category. If you are scoring anywhere around 55 plus, you are there in the 99 percentile. So if you have to score 55 to 60% marks to be there in the top league, is that tough to crack CAT exam, right? So even 2018 also will have the same scores. You can pause the video and check the scores there. So please remember, CAT exam is not as tough as it is perceived to crack, because when I say these percentiles into ranks, 90 percentile means is around 20,000 rank. 95 percentile is around 10,000 rank. So to get that, you need to score around 45%, roughly I'm talking about. Maybe to get the top 1,000, 2,000 candidates, 2,000 rank, you have to score around 55 percentage marks, 55 to 60% maximum. So please remember, I think this data will give you an understanding of the CAT exam is not as tough as it is perceived to crack. Then in the next part, we will be discussing what is the syllabus for this exam, where scoring 60% will put you in this league. So what kind of questions are asked, what is the syllabus, what are the different test areas, we'll be discussing in detail in the next part.